Hello students, I am Narsimlu, commerce teacher working in Telangana State Model School and Junior College, Tandur, Vikarabad district. Today I am going to teach you CEC second year accountancy unit 4 partnership accounts part 3. It is the third video. In this video I will teach you accounting treatment of certain transactions in partnership accounts. So in the partnership business, while recording the business transactions, there are certain transactions on which we have to pay a lot of attention. What are those transactions? How we are going to record those transactions in the books of accounts? How the entries we record in the books of accounts? What is the procedure? We are going to learn in this video. See children, accounting treatment of certain transactions in partnership accounts. What are those important transactions on which we need to pay an attention? 1. Amount invested by the partner in the firm as a capital, or capital invested by the partner as his share of capital, or capital introduced by the partner while joining into the partnership business. All sentences are giving the same meaning. That is, when a partner entering into the partnership firm, he has to contribute some amount in the form of capital. So when the partner investing his share of capital, we can go to write an entry in the books of accounts. There we need to pay some attention. Next, additional capital introduced by the partner. See here, in the beginning, as his share of capital, he investing in the business. But in the middle of the year, or in the middle of the term of the business, he gives some additional capital to the partnership firm. So means he giving some extra amount to the partnership firm in the form of capital. Okay, that is called additional capital given by the partner to the partnership firm, or we can also say additional capital invested by the partner in the partnership firm. So two things. One is capital investment, and second one additional capital investment. For these two transactions we need to write entries. Next, interest on capital. While we calculate interest on capital, we can go to write the entry in the books of accounts. Here we should be very careful. For that, how the entry we are going to write, we can go to observe, then drawings. What is drawings? Drawing means nothing but amount or cash or goods or services rendered to or taken away from the business by the partner for personal use is called as drawings. And next, interest on drawings. So here we can go to calculate interest on drawings. For this transaction, we can go to write entry in the books of accounts. Here we need to pay some attention and come to next. There is the chance to distribute undistributed profits in the partnership firm among the partners. At the time, we can go to write an entry in the books of accounts. Then we need to pay some attention. So, and last is that profit or loss as a time in the profit and loss appropriation account should be distributed among the partners according to their profit sharing ratio. For this also we need to write an entry. So these are the important transactions which takes place in partnership business where we need to pay attention. So let's one by one we can go to understand the transactions and how the entries will be written in the books of accounts. What is the procedure we follow for writing the or entering the transactions in the books of accounts. See the first one. In partnership accounts, the following transactions need to be given special attention while recording in the books of accounts. They are capital, additional capital introduced by partner. So it is a special transaction which taken place in the partnership firm. What is that? The partner introduces his share of capital. What does it mean? Suppose there is a partnership firm called A and B partnership firm where there are two partners A and B and their profit sharing ratio is 1:1. And these partners A and B has to contribute their share of capital in the ratio of 1:1. Suppose the partnership firm requires 2 lakhs rupees, total 2 lakhs rupees. So here A's share of capital would be 1 lakh. B's share of capital would be 1 lakh. So A gives 1 lakh rupees to the partnership firm. B gives 1 lakh rupee to the partnership firm. Then how we are going to write the entry in the business? You see, students, you observe here. Entry is cash or bank or assets account debit to partners capital account. This is the entry we have to write when a partner introduces or introduced his share of capital into the partnership firm. What is that entry? Cash or bank or asset account debit to partner's capital account. For example, just before I told you, there is a partnership firm called A and B partnership firm where the firm requires 2 lakhs rupees and partner A has to give 1 lakh rupee as his share of capital, B has to give 1 lakh rupee as his share of capital. Just here you take so A's for A's capital we are going to write entry. See how we just imagine in your mind cash account debit to A's capital account. Why we written this entry? Because A given 1 lakh rupee to the partnership firm as his share of capital. So what we are writing here? Cash account debit to partner's capital account. Or when when A gives 1 lakh rupee, then what the entry we have to write? Cash account debit to A's capital account. Similarly, B also giving 1 lakh rupee to the partnership firm. Then what is that entry? You think in your mind, children? Yes, that is correct. Cash account debit to B's capital account. Yes, that's right. So, see, for this transaction, we have to write entry as well as narration. Narration also very important. Within the brackets, we can go to write narration. What is the narration? See here, B capital introduced by the partner. Same entry we have to write for additional capital introduced by the partner. For example, B given 20,000 rupees as an additional capital to the partnership firm. Then what the entry we have to write? Cash account debit to B's capital account. Narration. In the narration we have to mention and we have to give clarification or give in detail about the transaction being additional capital introduced by B, partner B. So the same entry will come but the narration will change. Okay, this is the first transaction. I hope you children understood how we can go to write journal entry at the time of capital introduced by the partner or additional capital introduced by the partner. Okay, next we go next transaction or next slide. See what it is here. Capital withdrawn by a partner. Sometimes what's happening when they give additional capital, the additional capital may be taken away from the partner or withdrawn by the partner. At the time we have to write entry in the books of accounts. So what would be the entry? See here, whatever the entry we've written for investment, capital investment, the entry here we can go to reverse. How we are going to reverse? You see, partner's capital account debit to cash account or bank account or asset account. So here the partner may withdraw his additional capital from the business or excess capital he invested in the business that can be taken away from the business. Okay, for that what the entry we have to write is partner's capital account debit to cash account, bank account or asset account. If the partner takes away any asset from the business, that should be taken credit side and debit side the partner's capital account. So capital accounts partner's capital account debit to cash account, bank account, or asset account. Narration, in the narration what we are writing, you observe, being capital withdrawn by the partner. Here the capital is withdrawn by the partner. Next transaction, we go for next transaction. What is the next transaction? Interest on capital. See, in the partnership form, we have to calculate interest on capital if the partnership deed accepts. What does it mean, partnership deed accepts? Means here, in the partnership deed, it is clearly mentioned or written as there should be interest calculation on capital. Then only we can go to calculate the capital, interest on capital. So whenever we calculate the interest on capital, for that we have to write one entry and another entry should be written to transfer the interest on capital to the profit and loss appropriation account. Why we have to write two entries here? Because interest on capital is an income to the partner. That is one reason. And second reason is interest on capital is expenditure to the partnership firm. So both should be recorded in the books of accounts. When interest is given to partner and that is the income to the partner. So how the entries we are going to write, you see, interest on capital account debit to partners capital account or current account. Children, here if we maintain fixed capital method where we can go to open current account on the name of a partner. So this interest on capital amount should be recorded or transferred to partner's current account. If we maintain fluctuating capital method, then we can go to transfer this interest on capital to partner's capital account. For that, what is that entry? Interest on capital account debit to partner's capital account or partner's current account. It is the one entry. Here we can go to write narration to this entry, being interest on capital credited to partner's capital account. Being interest on capital credited to partner's capital account. For that we have to written one. Next here, the interest on capital is an expenditure to the partnership firm. So this expenditure should be shown in profit and loss appropriation account but not in profit and loss account, because it is a expenditure, but specially we can go to record in profit and loss appropriation account. So this expenditure occurs occasionally and it is not related to business transactions. It is not relevant to business operations. So we can't show it in the profit and loss account. So we can go to show it in profit and loss appropriation account. Next, a profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. So as an expenditure, we have to transfer the interest on capital account to profit and loss appropriation account. And see the narration: being interest on capital account transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the entry. Here we have to write two entries for interest on capital. Whenever we calculate interest on capital, we have to write two entries in the books of accounts. This is the important thing you have to notice. Next slide or next transaction, what it is you can go to observe. Partners drawings. I already told you in the beginning. We can go to just recapitulate whatever I said in the beginning. Partners drawings. What is partners drawing? Drawing means what? First of all, we can go to understand. Drawings are the money or money's worth, cash or goods or services taken by the partner or owner for the personal use. So here he not using the goods or cash for the business point of view. He using that his personal purpose. So that is called as drawing. Whenever a partner taken away cash or goods or services for his personal uses are called as drawings. So I think you understand what does it mean drawings. So whenever there is a partner drawing in the business, for this transaction we can go to write two entries. So what are the two entries? Just you observe. Partners drawings account debit to cash, bank or purchases account. If the partner taken away any goods, then that can be taken in the shown in the purchases account. See, partners drawings account debit to cash. If the partner takes away cash, there you can go to write to cash. If the partner draws any money from the bank for his personal use, then you can go to write to bank. If the partner taken away goods from the business, then you can go to write to purchases account. So here, what is the entry? First entry we are writing while recording the drawings in the books of accounts. Partners drawings account debit to cash account, bank account or purchases account. Narration. For this we can go to write narration within the brackets. What is the narration? Be cash or bank or goods taken by the partner for personal use. Right. Second entry. What is the second entry? You see, partner's capital account or current account debit to partner's drawings account. So this drawing accounts information should be recorded in the partner's capital account or current account. If we maintain fixed capital method, then we can go to show this information in his current account credit side, debit side here. And in case if we maintain fluctuating capital method, we can go to record in his capital account debit side about the partner's drawings information. So here we have to write two entries. One, there is a partner's drawing or partner's drawings. Narration. You see, what is the narration for this? Being partner's drawings account transferred to partner's capital account or partner's current account. Okay, children. So here we have to write two entries for partner's drawings. Okay. Next. Interest on drawings. It is also an important transaction in the partnership business. If there is any drawing or drawings in the partnership business, that should be recorded in the books of accounts, as well as we can go to, if we calculate any interest on these drawings, that interest on drawings amount should be recorded in the books of accounts. So for this also we have to write two entries. So what are the two entries? You see, first one, partners capital account, current account, debit. 2. Interest on drawings account. Narration. Being partners drawings account transferred to partners capital account or current account. Second entry, interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the second entry. Narration. Being interest on drawings account transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So interest on drawings is an expenditure to the partner, income to the partnership firm. So as it is an income to the partnership firm, we are crediting this amount to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay students, I hope you understood how to write two entries for interest on drawings transaction. And here interest on drawings, and there will be three situations, and the rates of interest may be changes on depending on the situation. See, interest rate will be changes if the drawing are made on first day of every month, then the rate will be 6.5%. If the drawings are made on the last day of the month, then the interest rate will be 5.5%. If the drawings made in the middle of every month, then the rate of interest on drawings will be 6%. Okay, while you are going to calculate interest on drawings, then I am going to explain in detail how to calculate interest on drawings in different situations. Come to next transaction, that is yes, here we may give salary or commission to the partners who dedicatedly work for the development of the partnership firm. So some partners may actively work in the partnership business to develop the business, to increase the sales, to expand the business. For their hard work, the partnership firm may give salary or commission. Whenever the partnership firm gives salary or commission to partners, then that information should be recorded in the books of accounts. So what are the entries we are going to write when we give salary or commission to our partners? See, two entries will come here also. The first entry, partner salary or commission account debit, profit partner capital account or current account. Narration: being partner's salary or commission credited to capital account or current account of a partner. That is the first entry. And second entry, a profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's salary commission account. So this is the second entry. What is the second entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's salary or partner's commission account. So narration: being partner's salary or commission account transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit transferred to general reserve account. See, in the partnership firm, a part of the profits are transferred to partnership general reserve account. So a part of the profit can be transferred to general reserve account. So that amount, for that transaction, we have to write entry. Only one entry will come, that is profit and loss appropriation account debit sorry to general reserve account. Being distribution of balance of profit. In the profit and loss appropriation account, if we get profit, that can be distributed among the partners according to their profit sharing ratio. If the profit and loss appropriation account shows loss, that also distributed among the partners according to their profit sharing ratio. In case of profit, how the entry will be, you can go to see profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account or current account. Narration: being the balance of profit distributed to partners in the profit sharing ratio. For the loss distribution, partners capital or current account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Narration: being the balance of profit and loss appropriation account transferred to partners capital account or current account. Summary: what we learned in this video, what we understood from this video. Accounting treatment of certain transactions in partnership accounts. Accounting entry when partners drawing cash, bank, goods, services. Accounting entry when interest is charged on drawings. Accounting entry when interest is calculated on capital of the partners. on specific situation. Accounting entry when partner is paid salary or commission. Accounting entry when some of the profits transferred to general reserve account. Accounting entries when profit or loss of profit and loss appropriation account